How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. First, open the Instagram app on your device. At the top right corner, tap on the messenger icon. Next, select the friend's username to open the chat screen. Long press on the message that you want to delete. A few options will appear. Tap on Unsend. This will remove that message from both sides, and neither you nor the other person will see it anymore. You can also delete an entire chat in another way using a simple trick. While you are inside the chat screen, swipe up to activate Vanish Mode. Now you can continue chatting with your friend, and messages sent in Vanish Mode will disappear automatically. When you are done, swipe up again to exit Vanish Mode. This will delete all the messages from both sides. Even if you turn on Vanish Mode again, you will not be able to see the previous chat. That's it. By using either the Unsend option or Vanish Mode, you can delete Instagram chats permanently from both sides. For more simple tech tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel.